Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy A53. Okay, first we're going to need to get a SIM pin ejector tool, and then at the bottom here is the SIM tray right next to the charging port. So you need to insert the SIM pin into that hole right there and then push it in. The SIM tray will pops out and you need to pull out the SIM tray. Now this SIM tray here allows you to put in a SIM card on the top, and the bottom is the micro SD card. So I'm going to put in the SIM card on the top tray. So I have your SIM tray, your SIM card with the metal contact facing up, and then insert it the SIM tray back into the slot and push it all the way in, and that's it. After you have inserted the SIM card, you can now press on the power button, and if you do have a pin on your SIM, you can put in the pin and then tap on OK, and that will allow you to unlock the SIM pin. And that's it. So that is how you can insert the SIM card. To remove it is very similar to how you insert the SIM card. You remove the SIM tray, then you can turn it over and then pull it out. If it does not come out, you can use the SIM pin and push it through the slot right here, and that will allow the SIM card to eject from the tray. And that's it. That is how you can insert remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.